Okay, for this problem, we're trying to find the equation of the function. So a couple things just to start looking at it. Amplitude, you can see from the low to the high, that's 6 minus 2, which is 4. So the amplitude is going to be half of that. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. So that's our amplitude. Our period, look at one full cycle. There's a peak there. There's a peak there. So the period is 3 pi. There's just 3, excuse me. Now 2 pi over b equals the period, which is 3. So b over 2 pi equals 1 over 3. So b equals 2 pi over 3. Now, if I'm going with this as a cosine function, which I will because it's convenient, cosine starts at 0. There's no real start to a cosine, but at 0, it's at the peak. So I can consider this a cosine function that's not shifted. So I just filled that in. Period is 3. Here at the midline is another thing we need to find. That's the middle of this from the high to the low. And we can see it goes up 2, down 2, so 4 is at midline. So that means it's been shifted up by 4. So our function would be f of x, or however they want to call this, is amplitude is 2 cosine of bx plus c. There's no shift, so c is 0. So 2 pi over 3x, and then plus a 4 is the vertical shift. And there's your function. So I think a sine and cosine are easier to do than a tangent, and this is one of the easier ones because it's a cosine. Okay, I hope that helps.